Meditation can feel daunting, especially if you're new to it, but it's simpler than you might think and incredibly powerful. Today, I'll share 3 beginner-friendly techniques you can start using tonight to calm your mind and connect with your spirit. Let's dive in. First, there's focused breathing. Find a quiet spot, sit comfortably, and close your eyes. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds, then exhale for 4. If your thoughts wander, and they will, gently guide your focus back to your breath. It's like an anchor, steadying you in the present moment, a place where peace lives. Second, try the body scan. Begin at your toes and slowly move your attention upward, ankles, knees, hips, all the way to the crown of your head. Notice any tension or tightness, then imagine it melting away with each breath. This isn't just relaxation, it's a spiritual practice of grounding yourself in your body, right here, right now. Third, there's mantra repetition. Choose a word that resonates, maybe peace, calm, or light. Repeat it silently in rhythm with your breathing. Inhale, peace. Exhale, peace. Ancient mystics used this to quiet the mind and tap into something greater, and it still works today. Each of these takes just 5 minutes, less time than you'd spend scrolling your phone. They're not about mastering some perfect state. They're about showing up for yourself. Spiritually, that's where transformation begins. You don't need fancy tools or hours of free time, just a willingness to try. So tonight, pick one. Sit down, breathe, and let it unfold. Maybe start with the breathing to ease in, or the mantra if words feel right. Which of these calls to you? The breath, the scan, or the mantra? Give it a go and notice how it shifts your energy. You might be surprised at the calm waiting within.